Hello. Hello, asshole. This is a business phone. Get off of it, asshole.
Hello?
Hello. This is Frank Garrett. This is a business phone. Get off of it, son of a bitch.
Hello?
Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you. You stupid son of a bitch. This is a business phone. Get off of it.
Hello?
Can you understand this? Fuck you. Stupid son of a bitch.
Who is this?
This is Frank Garrett. Just about the fourth call you've made today.
Oh, okay. This is a payphone on the Space Needle.
This is a business phone. Get off
I'm an
of it.
employee, so the phone rang and picked it up. I'm sorry for any inconvenience.
Oh, good as hell.
Okay.
Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you. You stupid son of a bitch. This is a business phone. Get off of it, bitch.
Hello?
Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you.
This is the Seattle Space Needle.
You stupid son of a bitch. This is a business phone. Get off of it. Fuck.
Hello?
You stupid cocksucker. Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you.
This is the Seattle Space Needle.
This is a business phone. Get off of it, asshole.
Your mouth needs to be washed out by your mother.
Hey, is your mama still got worms crawling out her pussy?